Hi guys, good afternoon. Today I'm here in my mini farm in Zamboanga City, Barangay Talon-Talon. I would like to share a little tips to all quail raiser. As of now, my quail it's already more than 400 heads. This is my place, and this is my breeder here, and I also have here Taiwan, Japanese Taiwan meal, and also here down, and I also have here two cage for laying, and also I have two four cage for layer also. Actually, they are already giving me starting lay egg for my 35 days, and also there it's already laying egg also, guys. We're already starting lay egg. The time is 1 p.m. Most of all breeders, they said one starting 11 a.m. in the morning, we not allowed people to come inside the area, because that's the time they are already preparing for to lay egg. Because if they have visitor inside the place or inside the farm, the quail get stressed. For me, not all the time they will come to get stressed for the quail. If the quail always see you inside the place, inside the premises or inside the area, they will already, what we call that, adapt the time that they are lay egg. They are already what we call that, immune already, that the time they will lay egg, they have visitor inside. But for me, that the time 11 to 6 p.m. only me inside the premises area. Nobody, no talking, no shouting, no loitering inside the premises, guys, so that my egg production still 85% to 95%. That's only I can share to you guys for the newbie for the quail raising. Hopefully for my next video I will show you how to breed and to cross Japanese Taiwan, Japanese shuttle, and the bob white. I already have bob white 5 heads. Then hopefully maybe next month they will already become 50 or 100 heads. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, please. It's a big help for me to grow my channel, guys, and please follow my channel for more tips and for more videos, guys. Thank you and God bless. Good afternoon.